Good afternoon, everyone. Speaking on behalf of NTCC High School, Gate number 7, Malvani, Malad West, Mumbai. I am Mrs. Shaheen Sheikh. Welcome to you all for online class. Here are some instructions to be followed. Use earphones or headphones for better learning experience. Keep writing materials handy, notebook, pencil, scale and eraser. Sit in a quiet and comfortable place. You may pause the video till you get ready to resume or if you want to make a note of some important points. Today we are starting with our chapter number 20, our community life for standard 3rd EVS. Students, you can see here a girl talking to a group of children. Here you can see children building hands in a circle, helping a boy who has fallen off his bicycle. So here we can see that we cannot live alone. We need a group of children or group of people to live in. See here, you can see a child is sitting alone here. She cannot speak to anyone because nobody is there with her. So can you live like this alone full life, students? No. See here, all the students together, they are looking so happy. She is very sad as she don't have any companion with her. Here all the girls together, they are playing and they are very happy. So this means that we cannot live alone for more time. We need some or the other people to live within, to talk with them, to play with them. Community life is interdependent. We all need community life. We don't have friends and other people around us. Who will speak to? Who will we share our joys and sorrow with? So students, this means we need other people to make friends. We need other people to speak to them. We need other people to share our joys, to share our sorrows. In a community, we get companions. We feel secure in their company. We help them and they too help us. This is known as cooperation. Mutual cooperation is the greatest benefit of community life. Rules are needed to build this cooperation. So helping one another is the rule of cooperation. See here, other girls here helping the other boy. Here one boy helping to the other boy. So this means cooperation. When we help to somebody, other people will also help us. So this mutual cooperation is the benefit of community life. So when we live in a community, we need help of somebody else and we can also help to other people. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Goods have to be produced to satisfy needs. This is called production of goods. The service process of reaching these goods to people is called service. So goods are produced. If good is produced, it is not made for only one person. If good is produced, it is to be distributed to all the people. And that is why the production of goods take place. If more production is there and no people to eat, then that goods will be wasted. And the service of reaching these goods to all people is called service. Production and service are both necessary to satisfy needs. Many people contribute to this. One person cannot produce everything, neither can he give all services by himself. Community life is interdependent. So now when production is done, it is to be distributed. So production and service both are necessary for the satisfying the needs. If one man is producing, the other one has to give the service. Only one person cannot produce the good and that only one person will distribute the good. It is not possible. So we have to help one another, and that is why it is said that community life is interdependent. dependent. So when here you can see farmer producing goods. So when farmer is producing goods, the farmer will only not go and distribute the farm produce to the public. He is producing goods, some other people have to do that service to provide them to the public. Rules for living in a community. Rules for living in a community. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. We have to deal with other people in our community all the time. For smooth running of our day-to-day affairs, everybody has to follow certain restrictions. These are known as rules. Rules bring discipline to community life. Rules for living in a community. Now, when we are living in a community, we have to follow some rules. We have to deal with other people in the life all the time. So, for smooth running in our day-to-day affairs, everybody should follow rules. While playing games also, there are some rules, and rules bring discipline to the life. Before playing any game, we must first understand its rules. The rules of game are same for everybody. Every player has to follow the rules, only then does the game goes smoothly. Similarly, in order to make sure that community life also goes on smoothly, we must follow the rules. So here they have given one example. When we play games, every game has their own rules and we have to follow that rule. Like that only, in our life also we have to follow the rules. If every player is following the rule properly, the game will go smoothly. Otherwise, there will be some quarreling, fighting, where if one person also is not following the rule. So in the same way, to our life, our community life should go smoothly, and for that we must follow the rules. Games have an important place in our lives. We imbibe the qualities of cooperation and unity through games. Participation, determination and passion are more important in games than winning or losing. Sports help us to stay healthy. Now games teaches us something. Games are very important in our life. They imbibe the qualities. What we get from the games, when we play games, we get the quality of cooperation, unity. When a team is there, the team has to play in unity. So we are able to learn that unity from the games. Participation. Winning and losing is the next step, but the first one is participation. Then determination. Playing the game with determination. And passion is more important. So winning and losing is the second step. First we have to participate, we have to play it with a determination, then only we can win the game. So sports are very important and sports help us to stay healthy. Now what we have learned, people like to live in a community. Mutual cooperation is the greatest benefit of community life. Our daily needs are fulfilled in community life. Rules are needed for smooth running of community life. Games teach us cooperation and unity. Sports keep us healthy. So here is a quick recap, children. With whom do we live at home? We live with our parents at home. When do we feel secure? We feel secure in the company of companions. So these questions you write it in your notebooks, children. This is the home assignment. People like to live in dash. Sports help us to stay dash. Community life is dash. In a community we get dash. So this fill in the blanks and that questions you copy it down in your notebook. Next topic will be chapter number 16, water. Be safe and healthy, children. Take care of yourself. Thank you.